me Bartosz Tech Gadget, and today, as you guys saw the title, I'm going to be teaching you how to make an intro for your YouTube channel, for your Twitch streaming, anything else that you ever thought for your life. So today I'm going to be using the WonderShare Filmora, the not free, it's paid, and I'm going to teach you step by step. Make sure to follow. If you don't want to follow, you want to add your own stuff, you can do it as well. This is my favorite way. Your own songs, your own media, your own titles. So let's start. So step 1 is when you open this, you're going to look like this. You're going to find for the sample colors right above this folder looking thing. So it's the sample colors. So I'm going to be preferring black, but there's a lot of variety color, and if you're going to download the pack, you can download whatever you want. So for me, black is the static color, so I'm going to put that in there. So now you're going to put your duration, so how long you want. So what you're going to do is you're going to right click and click on durations. Once you click on that, here it starts 5 seconds, so you're going to use your backspace and type like 20 seconds, how about that? Or how long you want. So I think my music is 10 seconds, so I'm going to put 15 just in case if it's longer, and I'm going to click OK. So once you have done that, you're going to go to your audio and you're going to my music, that's like right above the sound effect, and drop your video clip image and just click on that. You just can drop videos music here. So my music's on my download. I'm going to import that. So it's importing. Yes, you guys can see mp3, and you're gonna drag this and drop this down here. So then if it's shorter, you can just use this and use this long arrow thing and just you follow the line. So now this is how it's gonna look like. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna give some title to it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to your titles from up this bar menu, and you're gonna find your own title. I've already found and downloaded mine, so I've added mine to the favorites. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold, you're gonna click it, you're gonna hold it, you're gonna drag it and put it upwards above the black screen. So it's like this. Then you're gonna drag this so it fits together with all 3 of these. So it's gonna be like this. So now it has a title, look, just like this. Like a lower end computer, you can slow the playback quality to like 148. It runs even better, and it's better. So now we have already added our text, but we need to edit the text. So you're going to double click it, and it's going to open the text menu. If you want to edit bold, if you want to make it this italic, you want to align left, align right, it's all up to you. Just the word is your choice. So I want to put mine in, for instance, Bartosz Tech Gadget. By the way, I'm not going to use this, I have my own one. Make sure to go check that out. Okay, and then you're gonna, after you finish doing the upper text, you can just click on the lower text if you want to add something. So my tagline is anything is possible. So anything is possible. Just like that, anything is possible. Okay, so once you edit, if you want to change the alignment or something like that, you can do it. It's all up to you. So now we already have the basics. We have that. So guys, once we have done adding the music, adding the black screen, and adding the title, we're gonna add some effects, some nice effects. So we're gonna go to the effects tab. So you can download whatever pack you have or anything. I've already downloaded like 3 for me, which I think would look good. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna just drag, drop it on top, just like that. Then you're gonna pull it so it matches the size of the video. So you just wanna do that 1, 2, 3 times. So 3 effects, so 3 times. So if you feel like you don't like the effect, you can just delete it by pressing right click or delete, or control the delete button on your computer. Circling here. Okay, there we go. So now we have all 3 of the effects. So now we're going to play it. Let's see how it looks. Looks wonderful, guys. I think it looks wonderful. So that's how you can make your own like intro for your YouTube channel, Twitch streaming, or anything else. If you want to add another transition, you can use the transition tab. but I'm gonna cover that for another video. I'm trying to keep this video short and simple. So that's all, guys. And if you, after you finish, you're just gonna go click in this export. So just wait for a while until the export tab pop up, just like this. You rename your video whatever you want. I'm just gonna rename it for intro instance, and then you're gonna go settings. So let's say you want to be good, you can do good, want to do better, best. You can change the resolution. I'm gonna keep mine as like a 720 and keep it 30 fps. I'm gonna go 60 fps. So also I'm just gonna go put better and export. Exporting could take some time, so it's depend on how fast your computer is export. So it depends on how fast your computer, that's how fast it exports. So now it's like my computer, for instance, it's a bit slow, but no worries, it does the job. So once it's done exporting, you can just use the find target. So I'm gonna do that because I forgot where I saved my thing, lol. So you're just gonna use find target and tada, you can find it right here. So you can change the find target location. So this is the end of our stuff. So just like always, thanks for watching and subscribe, hit the post notification and thumbs up if you like this video, and if comment down if you need anything else from Baltouch Tech Gadget. Remember, anything is possible.